Check out this move happening on gold right now. It's still Christmas Day, by the way. Futures markets just opened. Gold gapped up. I've told you guys repeatedly, just check all of my videos. Every single video I've done, I tell you, I would be scared to death to short gold. This thing is a momentum trader's dream, long only. Now look, I normally would not do a video on gold over the holidays, but this move is defying belief. I mean, this is very, very newsworthy. You can see here the gap up. This was Christmas Eve's market close, and then kaboom, we have a 0.5% gap up, and we were up about 1% just a few moments ago, and we'll see how this thing holds into the official Friday morning session, although the volume is going to be very light. But you know what, man, I wanted to do this video for you guys just to prove to you that gold is a day trader's dream. And one more thing, for those of you guys that are looking to play like these super aggressive type of symbols, I got an idea here for you. Check this out. I'm going to pop over to this other chart. It's the same chart of gold, all right? But you can see here, I now have two momentums in panel 1 and panel 2. Actually, I'm going to call this panel 2 and panel 3. And just hear me out on this, all right? So listen to this here. So I'm going to call this one the master. Let me put this in lowercase. This is the master. And I'm going to call this one the slave. All right? So hear me out on this theory, and then I'd like you guys to backtest this for all of you customers that are taking the momentum indicator for a free trial. Try this out. You might like it. So as long as the master is green, all right, and you're confirmed, like you are convinced that you're going to be playing it long only, all right, what you could do is let the master be your guide and then use the slave crossing from red to green as your entry. You get what I'm saying? So case in point, if I take my mouse and I isolate this area right here, and if we laser in, can you guys see how there was a very nice momentum bar shift from red to green, right? It showed up once here, and it showed up a second time there, right? So this is kind of what I'm talking about when I say master and slave. I feel this would work very, very well as long as you're convinced, because if we minimize this and go back to the primary panel 1 chart, this would correspond exactly to this candle right here, and it would correspond to, looks like this reversal bar right here. All right, I mean, that's pretty spectacular. Let me just go ahead and zoom in here. All right, let's really laser in here. So not bad, right? I mean, you could use, I don't know, entry 1 here as your first opportunity to enter this trade long, and then here would be the stop loss, and then here would be like the second momentum cross. This would be a possible second entry, or a first entry if you missed the first one, right? And your stop loss would go there, right? And again, like I said, you got to be convinced that the master is ultra strong, right? But I hope you guys get this idea. I'm going to be tinkering around with this strategy and technique in the live market tomorrow, and I'll keep you posted on how it goes. But I definitely think you should try out this, or at least experiment with this approach, which is the master and slave idea. I think you're going to be very impressed by how profitable it can be.